The Acurit waterproof technical pens are part of my everyday arsenal. I just made up a word there, my art arsenal. I think that these pens are some of the most useful and functional, especially when I like to take my art to go. They feature a really rich, deep black ink and 3 different line weights. And when you're using a technical pen, whether it's nylon or the more official metal nib technical pens, it's always best to hold them perpendicular to the page to get an even line weight, because if you tilt them to the side, it won't be even. And maybe that's okay with what you're doing. I mean, maybe you're not looking for that rigid look. You don't have to hold them that way. In fact, you can be very loose and sketchy. But for the purposes of a technical pen, I wanted to just show you how they can achieve that line weight. Now we have a 0.2, a 0.3, and a 0.5. And although I don't have a very steady straight line hand, no artist really does, and if you do, send me your lines. I want to see them. You can see that the line width doesn't change, and that's pretty cool. That's a really great thing to be able to have if you need it. Line weight's an important thing. The other thing is that these are waterproof, so for you urban sketchers out there that want to take your art to go and get little quick renderings of buildings or other various things, and I'll just kind of draw some random shapes here. Really doesn't matter too much. And as you can see now, I'm just kind of being loose with it. I'm not worried about that line weight. You can go in with some watercolor, and the black ink, once it's dry, hoping that's dry, will not pick up, and you should be able to go in with whatever colors you so desire and not worry about it smudging. And these pens are so accurate. I mean, you can use them with templates, you can use them with any traditional technical drawing tool, but on the other hand, they're a great value. They're inexpensive. You throw them in your bag and you just take them with you to go. So I don't know if any of you guys at home watching this are inspired by that urban sketching movement that's going on now, but I find it very cool, and I like the fact that I could just grab literally a couple of things and go and have everything I need to get a full color rendering of what's around me. So the Acurit waterproof technical pens, a great tool to add to your arsenal, made up a word there, that will really be very multifunctional and really great to use with watercolor or on their own, gives you that fine precisional line, or just lets you have some fun on the road. So enjoy them, have fun with them. See you next time.